So good evening all. Let me wait for 5 minutes so that everyone can join and we'll start the class. Okay, today we can start the session. Uh, till now, what all we have seen? Till now, what are topics we have seen? Can anyone unmute and tell?
Strings and list and tables.
Strings, strings, list, tuples. Good. Then strings, list, tuples. Then we completed sets, right? We also completed sets. What is set? What is set and what's the uses of set? Difference between list, tuple, and sets. No one. Okay, if you have any doubt in this list, tuple, sets, you can ask me. Today we will start seeing dictionaries in Python. Okay, so what is dictionary? I will start to share my screen. If you know, you can tell what is dictionary. Dictionaries in Python. What is dictionaries? What is sets? Okay, I'll start sharing my. So dictionaries in Python. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So it's like same how you declare set, you have to use curly brackets, but within that you have to give key value pairs. So first you have to give key, then colon, then you have to give the value, and this one is called a dictionary name. This is the format of creating a dictionary. Okay, and if you see the example here, they have given a variable name dog, and within the curly brackets name Jack, age 17. So this name is a key, and this Jack is a value. So key value, and this age is a key, and this 17 is a value. So it will be like a dog equal to curly brackets name Jack, age 17. If you print dog, you will get output like this. So this is a example of creating a dictionary. Okay, it can have any data type. This Jack is a string, and this 17 is an integer data type. The values can have any data type. Okay, and if you see adding an item, changing value of an item, you can use dict name and the key by directly representing a key. You can update the value, you can update or change the value, and changing a value of an item by using an existing key, dict name and the existing key, you can give the new value. So this will change the value of the existing key. Okay, so this one, adding an item and changing a value of an item. Then to get number of items in a dictionary, you can give as usual length of a dict name. If you give, you will get how many number of items in a present in dictionary. Then if you want to print only keys, you can give dictionary name dot keys. If you give like this line, you will get only the keys present in the dictionary. And if you want the same, if you want the values, you can give dot values. Dict name dot values, you will get the values. And here you can see the example, dog equal to curly brackets name, age, and color. So name of the dog, age of the dog, and color of the dog. So these three are declared in a dictionaries. So if you print a dog, you will get this first line same as a dictionary. Now if you want to add an item, you can say that dog is a dictionary name, dog, and you have to give square brackets, and you have to give that string. String means this one is considered as a key. Weight equal to 90. Then if you print dog, you will get that this weight will be included in this dictionary. Okay, you get weight is 90. So you can see here, if you print this, the second line you see here, the weight has been added in the dictionary. Okay, So by this way, you can add an items in the dictionary. Then if you want to modify the value, you can say that here age equal to 15. If you want to change the age to 20, you have to again dog open square bracket. You have to mention that key, the key name. The key name is age, again close bracket equal to 20. So now you are changing the value from 15 to 20. If you print dog, you will get that name Jack, age 20, color brown, weight 90. So this is the way of modifying the existing key value. Okay. Then if you want to get the length of dictionary, you can just give print length of dog. It means length of dictionary. Dog is a dictionary. So you will get how many items in the dog. See, one, two, three, four. So that are totally four items, including this weight. Okay, one, two, three, four. Both key and value considered as an item. So there are totally four items. So you can see the comma here. This is 1, this is 2 comma 3 comma 4. So there are totally four items in the present dictionary. Then if you want to get only keys, you can give print dog dot keys. If you give this, you will get only keys. The keys means only the name, age, color, weight. These are called as keys. You will get only keys. The same if you want values, you have to give dog dot values. You will get only the values. Values are Jack 20, Brown 90. So these are values. Then if you want to get both uh, if you want to get both key and value, means you have to give dog dot items. If you give like this, you will get both key and value in a tuple format. Key and value. Okay. So anyone have doubt in this? How to create a dictionary, how to add an item, how to modify an item, how to get keys, how to get values? Anyone have doubt in this? Shall I move next? Only if you unmute and tell I can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you want to remove an item from the dictionary, you can use pop. This pop removes the item with a specified key name, which means you have to give pop and you should also give the key name. If you give that key name, it will be removed. Remove the items with a specific key name. Then pop item removes the last insert item. One second. So this pop item removes the last inserted item. Okay. Then this del deletes the item with a specified key name. So if you want to give any specified key name, you can use this del method. So this del and this pop both are same. Then clears all the items in the dictionary. And you can see here same dog dictionary, and printing the dog prints the same dog. And you can you are using dog dot pop, and you are giving the key name color, this color name. Okay, now if you dot pop and color, if you print dog, that color will be removed from the dictionary. And you can see the second line, color has been removed. Color brown has been removed from the dictionary. Okay, so by this way you can remove an item from the dictionary by using dot pop. And here you can also use pop item, dog dot pop item. If you give print dog, it will automatically remove the last item in the dictionary. So if you print dog, the last item is weight. That weight will be removed. You can see in the third line, name, age, height. This weight has been removed. Okay, because you have given dot pop item. Okay, so this is one of the removing item. Then again you can use del keyword. By using the del keyword, giving the dictionary name, and you have to give the key name inside the square bracket. If you print dog, this age will be removed. And you can see in the fourth line, fourth print statement, name, height has been printed, age 15 has been deleted by using the del keyword. Okay. And finally, if you give dog dot clear and print dog, it will clear the entire dictionary and it will print the empty dictionary. And you can see the empty dictionary here. That's it. So anyone have doubt in this removing an item from the dictionary?
No, sir.
Okay. So that's it. Simple thing about dictionary. And the next thing is we can see about control flow statements. So anyone now doubt in the sets? Anyone have doubt in the sets? These sets we have seen in the last class. If anyone have doubts, how to access set items, how to add set items. Anyone have doubt in the sets? If you have doubt, you tell me. I clear now itself. We have seen how to join the sets using union and using the symbol, this vertical line by using this symbol. Anyone have doubts in the sets? Okay, no one. I hope everyone understood about what is sets. Okay. So dictionaries, I will come once I finish this slide. Dictionary slides completed. I'll see the control flow statements. So control flow statements, it's like a logic. There are different statements. It's if you want to make any logic, you can use these statements. So first we'll see about if, if else, then shorthand if else, nested if. Then there are loops. There are only main two loops in Python. One is for loop and while loop. After that, we'll see break, continue, pause. Okay. So sequential statement means in this program all instructions are executed one after another. So this is like a sequential step-by-step execution. For example, if you give r equal to input, enter any radius of the circle, and if you have to give the formula a equal to 3.14 into r, if you print area equal to a, you will get the you will get output as enter any radius of the circle. So if you give any radius, the area get printed. So this format, it's like a sequential statement. It will execute step by step, line by line. So this is called a sequential statement. Then if statement, so this if statement means an if statement is written by using the if keyword. If statement without indentation will raise an error. So indentation is must in Python. So you can see the example here, n equal to 10. So n is a variable and they are assigning a integer 10. So and the second line they are making a statement, if n modulus 2 equal to 0. So this is the condition they are giving, that n modulus 2 equal to 0. After that you have to give the colon, and you have to press enter. So if you press enter, by default it will create an indentation. You don't need to worry. If you press enter here, by default it will create an indentation. Then they are giving a print statement, n is an even number. Okay. So what output I'll get? What output I'll get? Who can tell what output I'll get? It's simple. First thing is it gets from start it goes into checks the condition. If the condition is true, it goes to the conditional code and execute the result. If the condition is false, it will not go into the conditional code. It will directly execute the result. So this is an if statement. So this condition is this n modulus 2 equal to 0 is the condition. If condition is true, it gets into this and print. If condition is not, it will not go inside this. What output I'll get?
You'll get n is an even number.
Yes, correct. Because if you n mod 2, 10 mod 2 means the remainder will be 0 only. So if the condition is true, it will print this statement. And same if else, the else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. So if you see the example here, n equal to 5, and we are using two conditions. One is if statement and one is else statement. If n mod 2 equal to 0, print n is even. Else print n is odd. Okay. So in this condition, I have given n equal to 5, and what output I'll get? What output I'll get?
N is odd.
N is odd, correct, because I will get remainder as 1. Since remainder is not equal to 0, yeah, this statement will not print. It will get into this else block and it will print n is odd. And nested if statement. So you can have if statement inside if statement. This is called nested if statement. You can have n number of multiple if statement inside if statement. So that is called a nested if statement. You can see the example here. A equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 15, and they are giving they are said this if a greater than b. This is one condition, and again one more condition, if a greater than c. Two conditions. If a greater than b, if a greater than c, print a value is big, else print c value is big. Okay. So after that, after this if else, again they are giving one more elif statement. So this is in Python there is three condition. One is if elif else. So this if else is one condition, and again this if and this elif matches. So see the indentation starting this elif starting to the same this if condition. Okay. Elif b greater than c, print b value is big, and final condition is else if there is no a is not bigger, b is not bigger, then probably c would be the bigger. Then finally else print c is big. Okay. So if I use this statement, what output I'll get?
C is big.
c is c value is c is bigger, this one, right? See here, a is 15, b is 10, c is 15. The first condition checks 5 is greater than 10. So this is wrong. 5 is not greater than 10. So it will not execute this if block itself. Then it goes to elif block. It checks b. 10 is greater than 15. So this is also wrong. So it will not execute this block. And finally, it directly prints c is bigger. C 15. 15, so it directly prints c is big. That's it. So it will not execute this if block and this elif block because this first condition itself failing, and this condition also fails. Then directly print c is big. That's it. Anyone have doubt in this?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we'll see implementing in Jupyter notebook. So same these are examples: if, elif, for loop, the range function, while loop, break statement. We everything we'll see in the Jupyter notebook. So first we'll complete the dictionary. Okay. So Python dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs, which I have already said. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So here I have just created this dict and I have given brand, Ford, model, Mustang, and year 1964. If I print this dict, I will get the dictionary. Same as brand, Ford, model, year. Same if I want to print particularly this value, which means this Ford value. If you want to print the brand value of the dictionary, you have to give that particular key value. So print this dict and you have to give the brand. The brand means key. If you give this, you will get the brand value. Okay. So brand value is Ford, and duplicate values will overwrite existing values. So here there is two duplicate values. What are the duplicate values? If I print this dict, what output I'll get? I have declared dictionary this dict and I am printing this dict. Inside the dict there are two duplicate key values are there. What output I'll get? Only if you guess, I can say you can understand the dictionary. Dictionary means nothing but first you should have a key, then you should have a colon, then you should have a value. It can be any data type, but here they are given string key and string value. Here string as a key, integer as a value. It can be any data type, but the normal syntax is it should have key colon value. That's it. What output I'll get? You can at least guess. You can be wrong, then only you can understand. There are four keys, four values, and there is two duplicate values. What output I'll get? No one. Only if you am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just tell what output you'll get. Here there are four keys. If I print, how many keys I'll get? Duplicate values will be overwrite existing values. So here I have given one more year and 2020. So this 1964 will be overwritten to 2020. So the final output I'll get brand, Ford, model, Mustang, and year 2020 I'll get. This 1964 has been overwritten. So you can see here brand, model, year has been 2020. It's been updated. So duplicate values will get updated to the existing key value. So if you want to print number of items in the dictionary, you can do just print length of this tick. You will get 3. So this is one item, brand is one item, model is one item, year is one item. So there are 3. So this length of this tick will be 3. Then dictionary items, data types. So it can have any data type, here string, boolean, integer, and you can also have a list inside the dictionary. So there you can have any data types. So that's on. If you print dict, you will get the same. You can see the same. Everything you get in the dictionary. And the print the data type of dictionary. Same, if you want to find the data type, you can use this type and the round brackets. You will get the data type of class dict. And there is a dict constructor. By using the dict constructor also, you can create a dictionary. So this dict within the brackets, you have to give the key value. So name equal to John, age equal to 36, country equal to Norway. So if you print this this will create a dictionary. Within the dict constructor, within the bracket, you have to give the key value. So it will create a dictionary. So that's it. So if you want to access dictionary item, you can directly use the key name. So get the value of the model key. So here this dict brand model year. So if you want to get the name of the model, if you want to get the name of the model, you have to directly give the key name. Here the key name is model. So x equal to this dict of square bracket, you have to give the model. If you give the model, what output I'll get? What output I'll get here in this line? Only if you unmute and talk, I can know your understanding. What output I'll get if I print? If I run this cell, what output I'll get? It can also be wrong. Just unmute and talk. I have declared dictionary and I am just calling one key value. Right, someone has done. So tell me, what is the output for this line? X equal to this dict is a dictionary name and I am calling the model. What output? If you don't say if you don't say anyone, I feel that no one is understanding about dictionary. Only if you unmute and talk, I know whether you understand or not. Without understanding, just watching is not going to help you. This is very, very simple. What would be the output? I am giving the model name. If I give the model name here, this will be printed. So model is a key name. This Mustang is a value. So this model has Mustang. I will get this Mustang. I have not printed X. So you can see the Mustang. So if I want to print a year, then what changes I have to make? If I want to print the year, what changes I have to make?
Instead of model right here.
Yes, very good. If I write year, year is a key name. If I write year, if I print X, I will get the year. If I want the brand name, I have to give the brand. So that's it. So get the value of a model key. Then there is also a method called get that will give you the same result. Get the value of the model key. So you can also use this x equal to this dict dot get of model. So this also gives the same Mustang. You can use either this square bracket method or you can use this dot get method. It's somehow getting the values of the key. Then to get a list of keys, you can use x equal to dict dot keys. So if we give this, what will happen? What would be the output if I give this? What would be the output? Print x use what? Print x use what? By using dot keys. I have used dot key method. What output I'll get? It's very simple.
It will print brand, model, and year.
Yes, very good. So it will print all the keys. So dict keys, it will print the brand, model, and year. Very good. Then next, if you want to add a new item to the original dictionary and see that key list gets updated as well. So you can use this car. Inside of this, there are three keys: brand, model, year, and they are giving one more new variable x equal to car dot keys and print x. So this will print all the keys in the car, and they are adding one more new key called car color equal to white, and they are again printing x. So what will be the output before change and after change? First, they are declare a dictionary. Second, they are declare new variable called x, and they assign all the keys car dot keys. And the third line, they are printing the x. They are printing the keys of the dictionary. This is before change. And the fourth line, they are adding one new item called color, and the color is white. And finally, they are printing x. So what's the output of before change and after change? If you
Before change, it will be brand, model, and year will get printed, like
okay,
how it is there above. And
okay,
afterward, the same thing will be there, but the color will also be included, the key color.
yes, very good, very good. So that's the thing, exactly same. So you can see the before change brand model year, after change brand model year color get included because we have added color here. So that's the thing of adding a new item in the original dictionary. Then if you want to get the list of values, you can give as x equal to this dict dot values. So this output, this gives what output? Who can tell? This gives what output?
The
If you
values of all the
all the
keys, the
no
values of all the keys.
values of all the keys. What are the values?
In here, it is Ford, Mustang, and 1964. And after the change, it will be white also.
Yes, correct. Yeah, it's not taken. I will take this. I copy here. Sorry, wait. I have not given the print statement. The same thing only. I have not given the print statement. So if I print here, I will give Ford Mustang 1964 and white. Let's check. Yes, correct. But it's not included the color. It's not included the color. So that's the thing. If I want to include color means I have to give this full line. If I give this full line only, I'll get the color as will get included. So anyone have doubt in this? So next one is you have to make a change in the original dictionary and see that values list gets updated as well. So here the problem is it gets only updated in the key, it not updated in the values. So if you want to update values, you have to use x equal to car dot values, and here they are giving car year equal to 20 and print x. So what's the output of this one and this one? Car is a dictionary and new variable x as values and printing the x. Again they are adding one more item in the dictionary, that is year equal to 2020, and again they are printing x. What output for this? What output for this?
The first, the first one would be Ford Mustang in 1964. The second one would be the same, but with the change 2020.
It will add the 2020. So not add, change, it will change, because I'm not adding here, they are they are just replacing 1964 to 2020, just a change, correct? So that's it. Next, if you want to add a new item to the original dictionary and see that values list get updated as well. So if you want to add, you can use the new item color equal to 10. So if you want to add new item, you have to give new key name. If you give the same key name, it will get updated. Here there is a same key name, so it get updated. Here there is a new key name, so it gets added. So what output for this? It's very easy. If you say if you
Before the change,
yes,
before the change, it will be Ford Mustang 1964, and
okay.
after the change, it will the red color will be added to it.
So Ford Mustang 1964 and red, right?
Yes, yes.
So you can see here. So this red gets added. That's the thing. And if you want to get a list of key value pairs, you can give items. If you give items, you will get a list of all the key values. I'm not get printed print x. So what output I'll get? Who can guess? Print x gives what output? And I have used dot item.
Uh, all the
All the
all the things in the thing. The brand is equal to Ford and model is equal to Mustang. All of it.
yes, all the keys and values in a list format. So you can see here brand equal to Ford, model equal to Mustang, year equal to 1964. So that's it. Then if you want to make a change in the original dictionary and see that item list gets updated as well. So if you want to change in the original dictionary, so first you have to declare a dictionary, and again new variable x equal to car dot items and print x. This will again print all this brand model year, and again they are given a same key name, car year equal to 2020. This print x. So what output I'll get before change, after change? The same key name they used year, and they assigned 2020. Before change, after change, what output?
The first time it will show a list with the keys and their values, that is brand, Ford, model, Mustang, and year 1964. After
Okay.
change, it will remain the same except for the year, the value will be changed as 2020.
Yes, correct. So everything same, only the year value is been changed to 1964 to 2020. Correct. So if you want to add a new item to the original dictionary and see that item just gets updated as well, the same example. So what's a car and new variable car dot items, print x, this will print all the items, and again they are given color equal to red, and what output, but here it's a new key name, the key name is new, what output before changing
Okay,
the,
so because there's the okay before the change, because there is written item, so we will have the keys as well as the values. That
yes,
is brand is equal to Ford, model is equal to Mustang, year 1964. That will be before change, and after change, everything will be the same. Only color red will be added.
yes, correct. So everything will be same, color red will get added, that's it. So this one it's like a normal check if model is present in the dictionary. So this is a dict if model in this dict. So this model key name is present in the dict. This will print this line. So if I if I run this cell, I'll get this. Yes, model is one of the keys in this dictionary. It's just a checking true or false like sitting. So that's it. So if you want to change a dictionary item, so here comes the change. If you want to change the year to 2018, so this is a dict, year is 1964. If you want to change this dict, you have to represent the same key name, and if you give 2018, this will get changed. And if I print this dict, instead of 1964 I'll get 2018. So here 1964 has been changed to 2018. Okay, use the year of the car by using the update method. You can also change it by using dot update method. So this dot update key value equal to 2020. So now this will be updated to, this key value will be updated to 1964 to 2020. So you can also use update method if you want to update the value of the key. Print this dict. So you see the changes. Okay, then add dictionary item. So adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. So if you want to add, you can directly give the key name color equal to red, so it will get added, the red will get added. You can also dot update, and if you give the new key name, that will also get updated. Print this tick will get updated. Then if you want to remove dictionary item, as usual you can see the pop method. By using the pop method you can give. So this print statement, what output I'll get? Who can tell this? Declaring a dictionary, and I'm using dot pop model, and third one I'm printing the district. This print statement,
Is it brand is equal to Ford and year is equal to 1964?
yes, the model get popped, brand and here you get the pop item is removed. And this print statement gives what output?
The key year and its value will be removed, the rest would be printed.
Yes, so you will get brand and model. You see the brand and model get printed. This pop item removes the last item in the dictionary, and this who can tell this? What
Okay, so the model will be deleted.
output will be brand and year. Okay, and this dict, delete this dict and print this dict. This one, what would be the output?
It will delete the whole dictionary.
Yes, and it will create an error. So you can see that error because this dict is not defined. This dict is no longer exist. And clear method clears the dictionary and it becomes empty dictionary. Then loop through dictionary. So here for x in this dict print x. Here what output I'll get? If you want to print all the key names in the dictionary one by one, you can use this for loop. For x in this dict, print x. I'll just copy this dict. What output I'll get?
All the key names.
Yes, it will print one by one. Brand, model, and year. So print all the values in the dictionary one by one. For x in this dict, print this dict of x. So here,
All the values.
yes, correct. You'll get all the values. You can also use the values dot values method to return the values of the dictionary. For x in this dict, dot values, print x. It will directly print all the values. And you can also use dot keys method to print x. And this one, what output I'll get? For x comma y in this dict dot items, print x comma y.
All the keys followed by their items. Sorry, followed by their values individually.
Okay. So you can see here x represents key, y represents value. So brand value. So that's it. Then copying the dictionary. If you want to copy a dictionary, you can, as usual, you can use dot copy method. So this is a one dictionary, and they are creating one more new variable my dict, and they are creating a copy by using this dict dot copy, and print my dict will give the copy of the dictionary. To make a copy of a dictionary with the dict function. So by using dict function means this is a dict constructor. Same, this is one dictionary, new variable my dict. They are using a dict constructor. Within that, they are giving the this name of the dictionary, and print my dict will give the copy of the dictionary. So that's it. And create a dictionary that contains three dictionaries. So this is a nested dictionary. So my family is a dictionary. Within the dictionary, they are having like child one, child two, child three. So three dictionaries. Child one is one type of dictionary. Within that dictionary, it's having name and year. Child two, one dictionary. Within that, having name, year. Same as usual, name, year in the child three. So if I print this, what output I'll get? Who can tell? I'll get all the dictionaries, including this child 1, child 2, child 3. You can see here child 1, name here, child 2, name here, child 3, name here. So that's the thing. So create a three dictionaries, then create one dictionary that will contain other three dictionaries. So here child 1 is a dictionary. Within that, name and year, child 2 dictionary and child 3 dictionary. After giving these three dictionaries, now they are creating a new dictionary name called my family. So within that my family, now they are giving this three dictionaries, child 1, child 2, and child 3. So by this method also you can give the same only, the same result you will get. The same result you will get. Both are same, you can give whichever is you want. Same child 1, child 2, child 3. So print the name of child 2. What's the name of child 2? Name of child 2.
Tobias.
Okay. So if I want to print this, I have to give first my family. Within the dictionary, I have to give the child 2. Child 2 is a key, first dictionary key, and second dictionary key name. So if I give this, I will get that Tobias. If I want to uh, if I want to get the name of child 3, Linus. what changes I have to make in this statement?
In the square bracket, the first one instead of child 2, you'll be writing child 3.
Yes, correct. So I will get Linus. So by this you can also access within the dictionary. Then that's it. So this is a last example, like loop through the keys and values of all nested dictionaries. So for in the nested dictionaries also you can loop by using for loop. You can loop through each keys and values. So for x comma object in my family dot items print x, and for y in object print y plus this colon is a just a string comma object of y. So if I give this, it will get all the child 1 name here, child 2 name here, each by it will print like step by step. So child 1 name here, child 2 name here, child 3 name here. So that's the thing. So that's all. I have completed all the dictionaries. Anyone now doubt in this dictionaries? Anyone have doubt in the dictionaries? I have completed all, how to add items, how to delete items, how to change items. Anyone have doubt in this dictionaries? Key values by using.
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I move next? Control flow statement.
Yes, sir.
So after finishing all this, if I want this, if I want this material as a PDF, what to do? Can anyone know how to convert this all the codes as a PDF? Those who know can explain. It would be helpful, right, for your preparation. If I want convert all this code into PDF format. Anyone knows? See here in the top right, you will get the file. You have to click that, and you can see the save and export notebook as PDF. So if you give this whole file will get converted as PDF, and you can use it for the preparation. It will get downloaded. It will get downloaded. I'll show in the last. Okay. Now we'll see about control flow statement. So this dictionaries, so you'll get in a PDF format like this. If you give export and save as PDF, you can use it for study purpose. Okay. So all the codes will get in a PDF format till the end, till the end of the cell. Okay. So here same the control flow statement. First we'll see if else keyword. Okay. So if statement A equal to 33, B equal to 200. If B greater than A, print B is greater than A. So 200 is greater than 33. So it will directly print B is greater than A. If statement without indentation will raise an error. So you can see that if I give this print statement without indentation, it will give me an error. See here, indentation error, expected an indent block after if statement. Same if I give a tab, single tab, it will execute correctly. So you should give indentation correctly, otherwise it will give an error. And in this statement, A equal to 33, B equal to 33. If B greater than A, print this. Elif, print this. What output I'll get? You have to tell fastly, quickly. What output I'll get?
A and B are equal.
Yes, yes, correct. Then in this statement, example, the else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. So if is a condition, elif is a condition. If both condition fails, you can use this else statement Within the else statement, whatever you have written, it will get directly printed. So A is A equal to 300, B equal to 33. You can tell me the which block will get executed, and what is the final
Else
output?
block.
Yes. So here A is 300, B is 33. 200 is greater than A. 200, no. B is a 33. 33 is greater than 200. So it is a false. It will not execute the if block. And if 200 equal to 33. So this is also false. It will not execute. So it will directly execute this else block, and you will get printed A is greater than B. And in this example, which get printed?
B is not greater than A.
Yes. And you can also use one line if statement. If you don't want to use this statement, you can directly use one line. If A is greater than B, you can use directly print A is greater than B. This is a one line statement. Okay. And one line if else statement. These are all shorthand if and one line if statement, if else statement. You can try this. And unkeyword. So in this statement, the unkeyword is used. So if you want to test if A is greater than B and if C is greater than C, if you want to test two conditions, you can use this unkeyword. And final output will be like both conditions are true, because A is greater than B and C is greater than A. So this OR condition checks either one of this condition is true or false. If either one of the condition is true, it will get at least one of the condition is true. And this one test if A is not greater than B. So if not means it will just reverse the result. A equal to 33, B equal to 200. If not, A is 300, 33 is greater than B. 33 greater than B, not. So it will print A is not greater than B. And nested if statement, here x equal to 41. If x greater than 10, print above 10. If x greater than 20, print and also above 20. Else print but not above 20. So what output I'll get?
About 10 and also about 20.
Yes, correct. Above 10 and also above 20, correct. And there is one more thing, one keyword called pause. If statement cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have an if statement with no content, you can put this pause statement to avoid getting an error. So here A equal to 33, B equal to 200. If B greater than A and there is no any statement, you can use this pause keyword. Okay. If you don't use pause, if I don't use pause, what will get?
Will be an error.
Yes, correct. So if you want to leave any cell, any block empty, you can use this pause keyword. It will bypass the error. Then we'll see about while loops. Of the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. As long as the condition is true, it will be keep on executing. Only when the false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. So print I as long as I is less than 6. So I equal to 1. They are declaring a variable I equal to 1, while I less than 6, print I. After that they are incrementing the I value 1, I plus equal to 1, I plus equal to 1, or I equal to I plus 1. So what output I'll get? What output I'll get?
Numbers from 1 to 5.
Yes, correct. So 1 to 5 I'll get printed. When the number is incremented from 5 to 6, it will go to the while loop. 6 less than 6, this condition will get failed, and it will stop the loop, come out of the loop, and it will stop the loop. And break statement, with the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. Here see here I equal to 1 while I less than 5, print I. If I equal to 3, break I equal to I plus 1 or I plus equal to 1. What output I'll get?
Numbers from 1 to 3.
Including 3, including 3 or not?
Including 3 because I is printed before it is checked whether it's equal to 3.
Yes, correct. Because I is printed before this if condition, so it will print 1 2 3. Then continue statement. So with the continue statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next iteration. It will stop the current iteration. So that's the use of this continue statement. So continue to next iteration if I is 3. So I equal to 0 while I less than 6, I plus equal to 1. If I equal to 3, continue and print I. So what output I'll get printed? What would be the output? Who can tell? It will it will skip the current iteration. Continue will skip the current iteration. It will not stop. It will skip. Actually, it's a skip. Sorry. I don't know. I don't know why it's not executing. Okay, leave it. So what output I'll get? It can be a wrong. Just try. Just try it. See here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 3 3 is skipped from this printing because I have used this continue statement. Okay. Anyone have doubt in this? If I equal to 5, if I give this print statement, what output will be?
5 will be skipped.
Yes, correct. 5 will get skipped. It will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So that's it. So if you want to skip any current iteration, you can use this continue statement. Then else statement, you know that I equal to 1 while I is less than 6, print I, and I is incremented, else print I is no longer less than 6. So what will be the output? There are two print statements. What would be the output? At least guess. See, this I plus equal to 1 means I value gets incremented 1. By default, initially it's 1, 1 less than 6, print 1, then I plus 1 equal to I, which means I will get 2. Now again, this 2 will get checked with this condition. Print 2. Again, it will I value incremented to 3. 3 check the condition. Print 3. Now 3 gets 4. 4 checks the condition. So it goes up to 6. What output I'll get?
All the values from 1 to 5 and then the else statement, the else block statement.
Yes, correct, correct. So up to 1 to 5, when the condition is failed, it comes out of this and it will print this else block. I is no longer than 6. So that's it. Then we'll see about the for loop. So Python for loops, a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, tuple, dictionary, set, or a string. This is less like for keyboard in other programming languages. It's like an iterator method. Then with the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. So if you want to print each fruit in a fruit list of fruits, for x in fruits, print x. This will print each item in the list. Then loop through the letters in the word banana. For x in banana, print x. It will print character B, A, N, like that. So if you want to exit the loop when x is banana, fruits is a list of fruits. For x in fruits, print x. If x equal to banana, break. So what output I'll get here?
Apple and
Apple and banana. See here, first they are given a fruits as a list. For x in fruits, print x. So it will be printing apple, banana. After printing banana, if x equal to banana, break. So first the banana will get printed first, then it checks the if condition. So since x equal to banana, break. So it will get apple and banana. Anyone have doubt in this? No. Next is exit the loop when x is banana, but this time break comes before the print. So fruits is a list. For x in fruits, if x equal to banana, break, print x. Now what output I'll get?
just apple.
Yes, correct. Because now the condition comes before print statement. So that's the thing. So do not print banana. Fruits list for x in fruits. If x equal to banana, continue, print x. What output I'll get? Continue is used for what?
To skip,
Yes.
apple
So
and cherry will get printed.
yes, correct. So apple and cherry will get printed. Then range function, we have already seen range function, right? In one class, we have already, what's the output for this? What's the output for this? We already seen range of 6 means what? Starts from what value, ends with what value? I already seen range. This will print what? Just try. It can be wrong also. Just try.
Ends with 6.
Range of 6 means what's the starting value? What's the ending value? Range of 6 means 0 to 5. Range of 6 means 0 to 5. So if I print this, I will get up to 5. See, up to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 will not get printed. 6 will not get printed. The last 6 will not printed. 0 to 5 it will get printed. So this is the range of 6. And this one for x in range of 2, 6. Print x. What output I'll get? If you understand this clearly, you can definitely say this. 2, 6 range.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, correct. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This last number will not get printed. Now what number I'll get? 2, 100.
From 2 to 99.
Yes. From 2 to 99 it will get printed. Up to 99. Okay. So increment the sequence with the 3. So here what output I'll get? This 3 is a step counting, like a counter. Yeah, like the step counting process. So what output I'll get? 2 comma 30 means starting from 2 to 29 it will get printed. That's clear. So here they are given 3. So what output I'll get? It says 3 means step counter, skipping counter. You can tell whatever, but it's a step counter.
Will it be 258?
258. Yes, correct. So from 2 you have to add. You have to skip 2 values. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 3, actually 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. You can keep like this. 2 means 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17. So you can it's like adding 3, step counting 3. You can consider like that. Skip. I am step counting 5. Now what out tell it? Step counting with 5. Who can tell?
2, 7, 12.
Yes, correct. So 2 7 12, it will add 5. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17. So it will add 5 5 5. The increment 5 5 value. So that's the thing. Then else in for loop we already seen print all numbers from 0 to 5 and print a message when the loop has ended. So it will print up to 0 to 5, and after ending this it will just print finished, finally finished, and break the loop when x is 3 and see what happens with the else block. So here what happens? For x in range of 6, if x equal to 3, break, print x, else print finally finished. What output I'll get? What output? At least guess. If you don't know also, okay, at least guess.
0, 1, and 2 will be printed.
Okay.
I doubt the else block will get printed. I'm
Okay,
not sure.
we'll see. So it's else block, it's not printing the else block. It's just only printing 0 1 2 because the condition is satisfied within the if statement. So it's not going to check this else block. Okay. So 0 1 2 gets printed. Then nested loop. So print each adjective for every fruit. So adj is a one list of fruit. It's not a fruit, it's like just a word, red, big, tasty. Then fruits as a list of fruits. So for x in adj and for y in fruits, print x comma y. So if I print this, what output will be? Two for loops, nested loops. Nested loop means you can create loop inside the loop. So this is one for loop and this is one for loop, and print x comma y. What output I'll get? X comma y.
Red, apple, big, banana, tasty, cherry.
Yes, correct. But it prints red apple, red banana, red cherry. But what the thing is, each item prints each time. So this red will be printed for all these three: red apple, red banana, red cherry. Then again, this big will again printed to all this fruit: big apple, big banana, big cherry. So each item is printing each time. So that's the thing. So first for loop for x in adj, for y in fruits, print x comma y. So each item, the first this X will be like a red. For red, it will check into all the fruits. Y. So it will get printed as red apple, red banana, red cherry. Again, this X will go to the next one, big. Big, for this big, it will check all the Y fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Again, this X will change to tasty. This Y will check all the fruits. So that's it. So anyone have doubt in this? And finally, pass. If you want to leave a empty block, you can use the pass keyword. If you don't give pass, it will give an error. That's it. We have completed the flow statement. Anyone have doubt in this loops, control flow statements? If, elif, else, for loop, while loop, break, continue, pass. Anyone have doubt in this control flow statements? We have seen if, elif, else, for loop, while loop, break, continue, pass. Anyone have doubt in this? So that's all today's class, and I'll post the course link in your comment section. So you can join and you can start. those who are completed the quiz, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave the meet. If you are completed, you can leave the video.